Hi, my name is Eric Adams, and I'm an engineer for Intel, and I'm going to show you how to set up KVM for Linux so that you can make your Android emulator run a lot faster. In these instructions, I'm going to walk through how to set it up on Ubuntu. You're going to need to be using a 64-bit kernel, and you're also going to need an Intel processor with virtualization support turned on in your BIOS. In addition, we have both 32-bit and 64-bit system images, and we support the Google APIs. Consult your documentation on which setup key to hit to boot into your BIOS, and find the setting for virtualization and make sure that it's enabled. I'm going to show you how to set up these instructions for Ubuntu. The easy way to do this is to follow the guides that we have on software.intel.com for setting up Haxum for Linux. First, you want to copy this command and verify that your processor supports virtualization. Because I got a number that's not 0, I confirm that this is true. The next thing that you want to do is install CPU Checker. CPU Checker is what can verify whether your processor can support KVM. I've already got it installed, so it didn't add any new packages. Next, let's run this KVM OK command to make sure that we can support KVM. The good news is we can. The next thing that I'm going to do is confirm that I'm running a 64-bit processor. If you already know that you have this, you don't need to do this step. Since I got a non-zero number, I've already confirmed that, and let's make sure that I did install the 64-bit kernel by running this command and x86-64, so it looks like everything is okay. Now let's go ahead and install KVM. The easy way to do this is to copy and paste from the website instructions. Now, I don't have KVM installed right now, so I'm going to choose yes so that it will download and install all of the packages. The next thing that we need to do is add our username to both the KVM and libvirtd group. So let's go ahead and click on sudo add user, and you're going to input your username and add it to the KVM. I'm already a member of KVM, so nothing to be done there. And now let's add myself to the libvirtd group. I'm already a member of that group. To verify that your installation worked correctly, run the following command. Looks like everything's working correctly. Let's go ahead and launch the AVD Manager. Make sure that you know the path of where your SDK is installed, and it should be in your Tools directory. I have no AVDs installed right now, so I'm going to go ahead and create one. Let's create an Intel 64-bit Lollipop emulator image. For the device, I'm going to choose the Nexus 7. I've already downloaded system images for API 5.0 for the Intel system image, and it doesn't matter what skin that you choose. Let's go ahead and set 1 gig for the SD card size and use the host GPU option. Go ahead and select that. Now let's go ahead and launch this emulator. It launches a little bit slower the first time, but the second time that it launches should be noticeably faster. Looks like everything is working. You've now set up KVM on your Ubuntu box for accelerating the Intel Atom system image. For more information, you can go to our website below to learn more tips and tricks on how to make the Android emulator run best on your Intel processor.